The COVID threat is looming large over the Tokyo Olympics, where competition has already begun even before the opening ceremony this Friday. This morning, the U.S. women's soccer team had a disappointing start in their quest for Olympic gold, losing to Sweden in their first game. But that isn't the end of their run. They play again Saturday. And in softball, the U.S. women's team beat Italy. Jamie Yuccas has just landed in Tokyo to cover the games.
All right, I'm at the pre-approved testing site for COVID.
After 2 required COVID tests in Los Angeles, I was off on my 5,500-mile trip to Tokyo.
You have to stay at your hotel for 14 days. The only places you're allowed to go are workspaces, pre-approved venues, or the convenience store around the corner.
The protocols are just as strict for Olympic athletes. Although athletes are not required to be vaccinated, the safety protocols are strict and involve rigorous testing for anyone connected to the games. Spectators have been barred from most events. Any athlete who has come in close contact with someone testing positive must test daily and quarantine in a single dorm room, including for meals. With the opening ceremony only 2 days away, uncertainty surrounding this year's games continues. The CEO of Tokyo 2020 said officials will continue to monitor the situation as it unfolds. USA Today sports columnist Nancy Armour.
When you hear that there could be a last-minute cancellation,
no, that's not going to happen. That train left the station a long time ago. These games are happening.
And yet the number of positive cases continues to rise. More than 70 people, from athletes to staff, have been infected with the virus. NBA star Bradley Beal was forced to miss the Olympics after being placed in health and safety protocols. Fellow USA basketball star Katie Lou Samuelson tested positive before leaving the U.S. Tennis star Coco Gauff and gymnast Kara Aker also returned positive tests. Aker traveled and trained with USA Gymnastics in Japan.
Now, every morning I'm checking social media to see if the women have posted photos of them at training. I'm checking with USA Gymnastics and the USOPC to see, did everybody test negative again today? There is no magic shield around you just because you are vaccinated.
Despite health and safety concerns, the head of the World Health Organization called the games today a celebration of hope. Vlad?
Celebration for sure, but 70 people is not a small number, Jamie, to be continued. Thank you very much.